Stop. Before you waste $500 at the mechanic for sluggish throttle response, your fix is free and takes just 30 seconds. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple methods to reset your throttle position sensor. Each method has its ideal use case, and every step is designed to be quick and easy, even if you've never worked on a car before. Let's start with the easiest method, but hang in here for the third method. It's the most effective method when other options don't work. Method 1. Using basic ignition reset. This is one of the easiest and most common ways to reset the TPS. You don't need any tools. It's ideal if your car feels sluggish, the throttle isn't responding right, or the engine is revving oddly without showing any error codes. Steps to follow. Step 1. Park the car safely, turn it off, and relax a bit. No rush. We're here to make this step-by-step process as smooth and simple as possible. Step 2. Insert your key and turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine. You will see the dashboard lights coming on. But don't worry, this is common. Step 3. Slowly press the gas pedal all the way down to the floor. Take your time. It should take 3 to 4 seconds to go down. This tells the ECU the full throttle value from the TPS. Step 4. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Honestly, I've rushed this in the past, but trust me, slow and steady is the way to win. The whole process takes about 7 seconds. Step 5. Slowly release the pedal back to the top position. This takes about 4 seconds. Again, take it slow. Rushing can cause the ECU to misread the pedal position. Step 5. Repeat this press and release motion 2 to 3 times. The repetition helps lock in the sensor range. Your ECU is now logging both the full open and closed positions. Step 6. Turn the key off position. Wait 10 seconds to let the ECU save the new position data. Step 7. Start the engine and let it idle for 1 to 2 minutes. The ECU will now calibrate itself using the new pedal position data. During this time, avoid touching the gas pedal. Step 8. Reinsert the key, start the car, and observe the throttle response. Does the engine rev smoothly? Is the throttle responsive when pressed? A smooth, quick response confirms the reset succeeded. If not, proceed to the next method. To ensure success with this method, here are some mistakes to avoid. Starting the engine before finishing the sequence. Pressing the pedal too quickly or unevenly. Skipping the off phase before starting the car. Before we dive into method number 2, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss these game-changing tricks. I'll sip some coffee. Done? Let's move to the next method. Method 2. The battery disconnect method. This method resets the ECU's adaptive memory, forcing it to relearn all sensor inputs, including from the TPS. It is ideal for clearing stored TPS data or resetting after minor throttle-related issues if the basic reset didn't work. Step 1. Park safely, turn the ignition off, and remove the key. Step 2. Open the hood and locate the battery. You'll need a socket wrench to loosen the battery terminal. Step 3. Disconnect the negative battery terminal or black cable. Always remove the negative terminal first. This cuts power safely. Make sure the cable isn't touching any metal surfaces to avoid short-circuiting. Step 4. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all capacitors and sensors to discharge fully. Step 5. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Tighten the terminal securely so you don't get a weak electrical contact. Step 6. Reinsert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine. Leave it on for 10 seconds without pressing the pedal, then off for another 10 seconds. Step 7. Start the engine and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't press the gas pedal. You might notice the idle is rough at first. That's okay. The ECU is relearning step 8. After idling, turn off the engine and restart the car. If the reset was successful, the car will idle smoothly. Still having issues? No sweat. There's a next-level fix that cracks even stubborn throttle problems. Method 3. Throttle position, sensor reprogramming or hard reset. This method is for vehicles with severe position sensor issues or after replacing the throttle body. If you are experiencing persistent error codes related to throttle position sensor issues, this is the ideal method for you. And if you're not sure whether your TPS is the problem, be sure to check out our previous video where we go over the common signs of a bad TPS. Check the link above or in the description. Step 1. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is turned off. Locate the vehicle's battery. Step 2. Carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the nut and remove the cable. Then wait for 5 minutes. Step 3. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten the nut securely. Step 4. Turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Step 5. Stand near the fan of the car and listen closely. You will hear a faint buzzing sound from the throttle body. This indicates the system is recalibrating. Be patient. The buzzing usually takes 2 to 5 minutes to stop. Step 6. Turn the ignition to the off position and remove the key from the ignition. Step 7. Start the engine and allow it to idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not skip this step as it's essential for the ECU to relearn the throttle position. Step 8. Finally, take the vehicle for a short test drive to assess the throttle response. Pay attention to any improvements or remaining issues. Method 4. OBD2 Scan Tool Reset. This method is ideal for modern vehicles with advanced ECU systems and electronic throttle control. If you have access to a scan tool that supports throttle or accelerator pedal reset functions, this is the cleanest and most precise method. Steps to follow. Step 1. Turn off the engine and connect the OBD2 scanner. Step 2. Locate your OBD2 port, usually found below the dashboard near the steering column. Step 3. Plug in your scan tool. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Step 4. Navigate to the throttle or pedal position settings. This will vary by scan tool. Look for Throttle Relearn, Accelerator, Pedal Reset, TPS Reset or Relearn. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts. The tool may ask you to confirm engine off, perform pedal presses, or just press OK. Step 6. Once complete, start the engine and let it idle. Give the system 10 to 15 minutes to adjust. Some vehicles may require a short test drive to finalize the learning process. After resetting your throttle position sensor, it's important to keep the throttle body clean to maintain smooth engine performance. A good rule of thumb is to clean it every 20,000 kilometers, about 12,000 miles, especially if you notice rough idling or poor throttle response. Never use carburetor spray, thinner, or gasoline, as these can damage components. Always use a specialized throttle body cleaner like the CRC throttle body cleaner. I've added a link in the description below. We've just explored how to rest the TPS easily. To avoid TPS headaches altogether, check out our video on throttle sensor warning signs above. If this saved you a mechanic trip, do us both a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and shout out in the comments which trick worked for your ride. Your experience helps others.